Welcome to my video. First of all, how to create Gmail account. First of all, open the Gmail and logo click email and Google account, and the Google account checking the info, and first of all email report but no, and create account for my personal use only. First name your choice, but I am first name is Shan, SHAN, and last name optional, but my name is Dilawar. Second name is Dilawar. And next, and the first is month, my, and the day you choose, and year you are old, and male and female gender. I click male, and next, and the you choose first, second, and third, but I am choose second. Next, click, and password you are choose, but I am very high previous password, but my password is very hot. I password is blink and do not show, and create a strong password. I have done my Gmail account, and I agree. Scroll and I agree. Privacy and terms. Welcome to a new Gmail services. Thanks my watching video. Please like and subscribe.